Hello guys, I have now completed the jumper and I've come back as I promised to show you the end result. So as you can see, the jumper is complete. I've tidied up the hem here by using needle and thread to sew it up. I got a bit of material that had that's got some flowers on it, and I cut out the flower from this material and sewed it on to the jumper at the bottom just to make it a little bit more attractive. The back is all done, you can see now. It's nice and smooth and woolly. It's looking great. And I opted not to add any buttons on because I can actually take the jumper off without having some buttons on to open and close the jumper. As you can see, her arms, just put her arms through here, put her arm through there. Oopsie daisy. Come on girl, let's get this jumper off you. So we can get the jumper off without having buttons because it's quite stretchy material. So, and that's why I prefer making the clothes on the doll. When you make the clothes on the doll, fastening it together with safety pins, then it's easier for you to work out the design of the clothes and whether or not you need buttons on. So as you can see, this easily goes over her head and will come off. So I hope you find this video instruction on how to make clothing accessories for your real as can be baby dolls. Hope you found it useful. I certainly think the tips that I've given you in this video will save you a lot of money on expensive preemie clothes. And this is a happy doll now. Oops. Let's see what her reaction is. Yeah, you love your jumper, don't you, Martin? I love my jumper. You love your jumper. You've got a lovely jumper, haven't you, Martin? Look at your little flower there. You see the little flower? Okay, guys. Yeah, I know. Yeah, your jumper's lovely. Look. Yes, I made it for you while you were sleeping. Now we've got to say goodbye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.